Welcome to our deep dive into BMS graphics, dashboards, and user interface design. In today's world, building management systems, or BMS, are the nerve centers of modern facilities. But what truly brings these systems to life is a well-designed graphical user interface. A great GUI doesn't just look good, it transforms complex automation data into clear, actionable visuals. In this video, we'll explore the principles behind effective BMS graphics, the essential components every dashboard should have, and the best practices that ensure operators can monitor, control, and make decisions with confidence. Let's get started by understanding why UI and UX matter so much in the world of building automation. A well-crafted BMS interface is more than just a pretty face. It's essential for effective monitoring, control, and fast decision-making. When graphics and dashboards are thoughtfully designed, they translate raw, complex data into intuitive visuals. This helps operators quickly assess system status, spot trends, and respond to alarms before small issues become big problems. Good UI, UX design reduces errors, saves time, and boosts confidence. Throughout this video, we'll see how clarity, consistency, and responsiveness in design can make all the difference in daily operations. Now let's look at the main objectives BMS graphics should achieve. The primary goals of BMS graphics are to provide real-time visualization of building systems, simplify complex data into clear, actionable insights, and highlight alarms, warnings, and system trends prominently. They should also facilitate quick navigation across different systems and zones and support remote monitoring via web or mobile platforms. By achieving these objectives, BMS graphics empower operators to maintain comfort, efficiency, and safety throughout the building. Next, let's explore the common graphic components that make up a robust BMS interface. A strong BMS dashboard is built from several core components. These include interactive floor plans or site maps that show zones, equipment, and sensors, animated equipment graphics for valves, pumps, and fans, trend graphs for visualizing historical data like temperature and energy use, and alarms lists that display current and historical alerts with severity levels. Control widgets such as buttons, sliders, and switches allow operators to send commands directly from the interface. KPI gauges provide at-a-glance views of key performance indicators, while navigation menus ensure easy access to all system areas and reports. Each component plays a vital role in creating a user-friendly and powerful BMS experience. Designing effective BMS graphics starts with clarity and simplicity. Clean layouts without clutter help users focus on what matters most. Important information should be prioritized using color and size, but it's best to avoid too many colors. Consistent color coding, like red for alarms, is key. Consistency across screens, standardized symbols, and intuitive navigation all contribute to a seamless user experience. Responsiveness is also crucial, ensuring the interface works smoothly on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. By following these principles, you create interfaces that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. One of the most powerful features in BMS graphics is the interactive floor plan. These visuals show zones colored by temperature or occupancy, making it easy to spot issues at a glance. Animated graphics indicate the status of valves, fans, and other equipment, while clickable icons let users drill down for detailed data or control options. This approach not only enhances situational awareness, but also speeds up troubleshooting and maintenance. Let's see how trend graphs add another layer of insight to BMS dashboards. Trend graphs are essential for visualizing historical data such as temperature, flow, or energy usage. By overlaying set points and actual readings, operators can quickly spot deviations and analyze system performance over time. Features like zooming, scrolling, and exporting data for further analysis make these graphs invaluable for both daily monitoring and long-term optimization. With clear trend visualization, teams can make data-driven decisions and proactively address potential issues. Next, let's look at how alarm dashboards keep everyone alert and informed. Alarm dashboards are the front line for safety and system reliability. They allow users to filter alarms by priority critical, major, or minor, and display key details like timestamp, description, and acknowledgement status. Linking alarms to affected equipment or locations on the map streamlines troubleshooting. Color coding is vital here. Red for critical alarms, orange or yellow for warnings, green for normal operation, blue for informational messages, and gray for unknown or offline status. This visual language ensures that urgent issues are never missed. Now, let's discuss how user roles and access control enhance security and usability. A secure BMS interface defines clear user roles, such as operator, engineer, and administrator. Each role comes with tailored access and control rights, ensuring that sensitive controls are locked down and only authorized personnel can make critical changes. This not only prevents accidental or unauthorized modifications, but also streamlines workflows by presenting users with the tools and information relevant to their responsibilities. Customization and branding further enhance the user experience, making the interface feel familiar and aligned with organizational identity. Customization allows BMS dashboards to reflect company branding with logos and color themes that match the client's identity. Dashboards can be tailored to specific requirements, and modular graphic libraries ensure scalability as needs grow. This flexibility not only enhances the visual appeal but also improves usability by aligning the interface with familiar workflows and preferences. Next, we'll cover best practices for alarm handling within the GUI to ensure critical events are never overlooked. Effective alarm handling is crucial for safety and operational efficiency. The GUI should auto-pop up critical alarms with sound alerts, allowing operators to acknowledge and add notes directly. Providing alarm history and trending analysis helps teams understand recurring issues and take preventive action. Integrating filtering and sorting options ensures that users can quickly find and address the most urgent problems. With these best practices, BMS interfaces become powerful tools for proactive facility management. Modern BMS graphics aren't limited to the control room. Responsive web interfaces and dedicated mobile apps allow operators to monitor and control systems from anywhere. Push notifications keep teams informed of alarms and events in real time, while secure VPN or cloud access with multi-factor authentication ensures data security. This mobility empowers facility teams to stay connected and responsive, no matter where they are. Now, let's take a look at some of the leading tools and software used to create BMS graphics. Several industry-leading platforms make BMS graphics creation easier and more powerful. Schneider EcoStruxure BMS offers pre-built templates and drag-and-drop graphics. Siemens Desigo is known for advanced animations and BACnet integration. Honeywell WEBs provides scalable dashboards that are mobile-friendly. Tritium Niagara Framework stands out with its open architecture and web-based GUIs. Each tool brings unique strengths, so choosing the right one depends on your project's needs and future scalability. To wrap up, effective BMS graphics are the bridge between complex automation systems and the people who manage them. By following best practices in design and user experience, you can ensure that operators maintain comfort, efficiency, and safety with confidence and ease. Remember, the right combination of clear visuals, intuitive navigation, and robust alarm handling transforms data into actionable insights. Thanks for joining us on this journey through BMS graphics mastery. Your building's performance and your team's peace of mind depend on it.